often should you wash your hair? Every day, once a week? What is the right answer? So it is hair wash day and my hair is obviously very dirty. So I thought this would be a great opportunity to make a video answering a question that one of my followers recently asked me, is to give my opinion on how often you should wash your hair. There are a lot of people out there that have strong opinions in one way or another. They swear by only washing your hair once a week, or they swear you have to wash your hair every day. And the thing is, there's no rule scientifically or medically that says you have to do this or that. It really comes down to you. For some people, washing their hair every day is a necessity because of their lifestyle, because they get excessively sweaty by working out, or they work in an environment which makes them get sweaty or dirty on a daily basis. On the flip side, there's absolutely nothing disgusting about only washing your hair once a week if that works for your scalp. How you're going to determine what works for you is several factors. If your hair is super oily after just a day and a half like this, then you're probably not someone who's going to benefit from only washing your hair once a week. If anything, it's going to cause more problems than it solves. Some people talk about blow drying or washing your hair too often can be damaging. And I mean, that's kind of true. Shampooing your hair and blow drying your hair can have minimally damaging effects, but the damaging effects through overgrowth of bacteria and too much dirt and oil sitting on your scalp and clogging up your hair follicles is far worse than anything that's going to happen from washing your hair more frequently or blow drying it more frequently. That being said, there's plenty of people out there who can go a full 7 days without any excessive oil buildup on their hair. So if you find that you can go 4, 5, 6 days and your hair still looks relatively clean, then it's totally fine to wait that long to wash your hair again. As long as your hair doesn't look super greasy, as long as your scalp doesn't feel super oily and itchy, and as long as there is no foul smell coming off of your scalp, then you can wait. There's also nothing wrong with needing to wash your hair every single day. Finding the right frequency for you is what's going to be important. How I determine how often I'm going to wash my hair depends on several things. So my frequency typically is every 3rd day. I know that day 1, my hair is gonna look great. Day 2, it's gonna look pretty good with some dry shampoo. And day 3, I'm gonna put my hair up or I'm gonna wash it. And if I do put it up on day 3, I'm gonna wash it on day 4 for sure, because then my scalp is gonna be itchy, my scalp is gonna be oily, and I am just not gonna let that build up any farther and cause bacteria to grow or the potential for funguses to grow or anything like that. For some people that might look 2 days. It might be every other day, it might be every 3rd day, it might be every 4th day. Like I said, it's gonna depend on you. But there are days that I wash my hair one day and then I do wash it again the next day. If I went to the gym and got particularly sweaty, or if I spent the whole day in a hat in the sun getting sweaty, I will wash my hair again the next day. So it really comes down to what works for you. As long as you are keeping up with good personal hygiene and your hair feels healthy and you are doing something that works for you, honestly, that's the right answer. If you have any specific questions that are specific to your hair, let me know in the comments and I can do my best to answer that for you. But don't get caught up in the propaganda that convinces you to do something that just doesn't work for you. You do not have to try and not wash your hair for a week at a time, and it is not possible to train your hair. A lot of people ask me about that. How do I train my hair so I can go longer? Or people tell me that they have trained their hair to go longer. And the thing is, you can't train your hair to go longer between washes. You can sometimes make changes to your care routine and your lifestyle that allow you to go longer. Switching to a stronger shampoo will often allow you to go long between shampoos. Starting to blow dry your hair every time you wash it will start letting you go longer between shampoos. Starting to use hair products when you do blow dry your hair is going to allow you to go longer between shampoos. Living in different climates can allow you to go longer or less time between shampoos. I know for me, when I'm in Las Vegas on vacation in a really dry climate, I can go way longer than I'm somewhere like Florida where it's really humid. If I'm somewhere where I'm in the ocean all the time, I am absolutely washing my hair every single day. And if I'm in the desert, I can go 4 days easily without touching my hair. So often there's not a training of the hair. There's just shifts in lifestyle or care routines that you figure out that allow you to go longer. And that's fine and that's great. There's nothing wrong with that. But if you have a scalp that produces a lot of oil, then you are going to produce a lot of oil. There are certain things you can do to slightly minimize that. But at the end of the day, it's kind of like how some people have oily skin types and some people have dry skin types. That's the same for the skin on our scalp. Our scalp is skin. Some people's scalps are oily, some people's scalps are more dry. And even when you're doing all the right things, some people are still going to be more oily. Some people are still going to be more dry. And we just have to learn to work with what we have. I hope that makes sense and I hope that was helpful. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff so we can grow our channel here. Thank you for watching today. I'll see you next time. Bye.